We're going to take a look now at how we can leave audio comments for students. There are many ways we can do this, and I'm going to showcase just a few. I know many of us are using various learning platforms, and of course this is a requirement now that each school has one in place based on the circular letter issued earlier this month. The most popular of these is Office 365 and Google Classroom, so that's where I'm going to start. So I've created a new assignment for my students and sent it out through my learning platform, in this case Google Classroom. And now that the students have returned it, let's take a look. And here's the document. So up here on the right hand side, I'm going to click this little down arrow and I'm going to go to add-ons. There's a number of ways of doing this. There's a Chrome extension called Talk and Comment, which is very simple to use. And this one here, Kazina, is another variation of the same. So I'm just going to open this. Now when we open it, we're going to have to agree to the usual terms and conditions. This is the first time I've opened it as a teacher. So it is just connecting. I agree. And now we've it set up. So record your first comment. This is what we want to do. And I'm just going to be talking about this part here. So when I select a piece of text, I can select different colors. So depending on the team that I'm giving feedback on, I might highlight different colors and just leave an audio comment there like that. As I can see here, actually I have a pop-up here. Just this is the first time again that I've used it, so I want to make sure that the browser has permissions to use my microphone. So I'm just going to click allow, and again I can select the team for which I would like to give feedback. Record my voice message. As you can see, it's recording here. I think there is a time limit of up to 30 seconds, but that should be fine to get your feedback across because you can leave multiple comments. And I'm going to stop and post. And here you can see we have our list of comments. As you can see, it's recording here. So now all I have to do is that I've left comments for the students. They're all nicely individually color coded and the students will be able to see that. I'm just going to return my assignment back to the student so to give them feedback on where they can improve their research and investigation. I'm going to switch across now to Microsoft Teams and show you how it might look there. The application I'm using could be integrated within Microsoft Office 365 or Google Classroom, however. So I'm going to demonstrate just one other way in which we can leave audio feedback for students. So if the student is working within Microsoft Word, or if they submit a PDF, or indeed if they just submit a sketch, we might find it a little more difficult to add audio comments. So there is a good way that we can do this. And if we navigate to the website vocaroo.com, and within Vocaroo it's very simple. There is no sign-in required. You just go to this website vocaroo.com and you click record. Again, the first time you use it, you'll just have to allow your browser to use your microphone, and then you can record away, and when you're finished you can click stop. There is no time limit, so that's fine. Now that we have our audio comment recorded, we can just save and share. So we can copy the link. We can, if we want, we can use a QR code, but in this case we're just going to copy the link. The link is copied. I can download it if I wish either. I'm going to navigate back to Teams and I'm going to post in that feedback there for the students, and all they have to do then is when they get their feedback they can just open up that link and it will give them the audio comments. So just another very simple way of giving audio feedback. One other way we can leave audio feedback for students is within OneNote. In OneNote we can natively leave feedback within the program itself. So the student might submit their work through an assignment or within the class notebook itself. And to leave a comment, all we have to do is navigate to the insert, click where on the page we want to leave the comment, and click on the insert audio comment. And that will record a comment and leave it there within the page for the student. Now the student can submit all sorts of work through assignment features, either in Google Classroom or in Office 365. For example, here we have a sketch that was done on a tablet. Similarly, the student could submit a sketch that they have been working on a piece of paper, and I could leave audio feedback there. They could submit maybe a question that they had done in their copy, and I could leave audio feedback. And to do this, it's very simple. All the student would have to do is use the app on their phone, click to take a photo, upload that photo, and then I have it straight away, and you can see the quality is very good, and I can just leave an audio comment for the student. And similarly, if it was a worksheet or a different type of assignment, the same process could be followed. Of course, this would save me collecting copies and bringing home work to correct. I can have all that work at my fingertips and leave the feedback for the students. And of course, from a student's perspective, it is very simple as well, and they can re-listen to any of the feedback they get. So as you can see, leaving audio comments for students can be a very impactful way of encouraging assessment for learning. As I said at the outset, there are many ways that you can accomplish this, and I've covered just a few in this short tutorial.